Hello, this is Eric at the Prince George Ford Pre-Owned Supercentre, and we're taking a look at the 2017 Ford F-150 in an XLT trim and powered by a 5-liter V8 engine, providing you with plenty of power for towing, hauling, and 4x4ing, and recently detailed, so it's looking nice and clean. But let's take a look inside. And first, looking in the back seat, where you have seating for three pretty spaciously and comfortably. Can be folded up and out of the way to accommodate any of the cargo you might want to put back here. And then in the middle, you have two fold-out cup holders and a 12-volt power outlet. Also vinyl floors throughout the vehicle, so don't have to worry about a carpet that's going to get stained and nasty over time. And now looking at the front, where you have power windows, power mirrors, and power locks. Now sitting in the truck with it running, you can see it's sitting at 79,446 kilometers. Moving down to the steering wheel, on the right hand side you have your hands-free phone and radio controls, and on the left you have your cruise controls as well as your controls for your center info screen here, where you can cycle through information for your trip 1 and 2, fuel economy, fuel history, compass. You can also go into your display mode for your distance empty, transmission temperature, tire pressures, digital speedometer, engine info, my key status, towing information, off-road status, and settings for features around your vehicle and your screen setup in general. But then moving on to your center, your Infotainment Center, which is radio, Sirius, CD, USB, and Bluetooth. So you do have some options there for whatever you want to listen to, however you want to listen to it. Then you do also have a backup camera, so you're going to be able to see where you're going and hopefully avoid hitting anything, with dynamic hitch views, so you can zoom in and hopefully have an easier time hooking up a trailer or something of the sort. Then above your screen you have your traction control shutoff and hazards. Moving down from your screen you have your physical, media, and climate controls here. Pretty simple, easy to use. To the left of that you have your 4x4 controls with a locking rear differential and Pro Trailer backup controller underneath that, and a small cubby at the bottom. And then on the right you have a 12-volt power outlet. Then down below you have another 12-volt with a USB and a compartment here where you can put your device while it's charging or something like that. But then moving on to your center console area, where you have two cup holders, cubby, and your center compartment / armrest, which is quite spacious. But then this does lift up and out of the way to become your 5th passenger seat and 6th seat overall, so plenty of seating in this truck. And it does still have another compartment underneath that with some flip-out cup holders like so, and plenty of storage. So you can have some drinks while this seat is folded up, or 4 in total if you're feeling wild, but that should cover our look at the interior. So now if you're interested, feel free to give us a call at 250-563-8111, or just come on down to the dealership and have a look for yourself, and have a nice day.